Okay, let's see what they got here. Kimco. Please use this door. Fair enough. Oh, nice. Oh, yes. That's the one I want. Hello, how are you? Triumph, English. Very nice. At 50,000.
Yeah, 850,000. I think it's 1,000 cc.
Ah.
You need an extension.
How many cc this one?
I think it's 1,000 cc.
Hmm?
1,000 cc.
1,000 cc?
Yes, sir. 1,000. You need an extension.
You can put another seat here, yeah?
Yes, sir. It's possible.
Yeah, I'm sure. And they all water cool.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Yeah, Triumph.
They're already liquid.
Very good. That's beautiful. Okay. And you got a lot of accessories too. That's good. See my jacket now damaged. All damage here. I fall. It's all. I need to buy a new one.
Yeah, if it, no, buy
How much are they?
We are currently we have 50% sale from 13,100.
Okay. Yeah,
down
yeah. I know they're not
to
cheap.
6,700.
Yeah.
50% discount.
That's okay. You got different size. You got my size.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
You can try to. We also have a bigger riding jackets.
Ah, you got paint as well.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. They go low. That's a nice pant. I don't know the brand, but 6,500. That's not so much protection as this one. How much this one?
These ones are from 10,700 to be yes sir 9,000.
Yeah, that's a better build pant.
What country are you from?
Okay. Nice boots.
Yeah.
I have this similar. Because I'm not racing, it's cruise. That's for racing. I'm too old for racing. Yeah, that's a nice jacket. How much for the helmet?
This one sir,
Spider?
it will cost you 3,600.
I'm a little bit hard.
3,600 sir.
How much?
3,600.
8,600, okay. Yeah.
Half face.
Yeah, I paid mine about 6,000 2 years ago. Oh, 4 years ago almost. V90. Ooh, that's nice. I want this one. 1,000?
These ones are 700. 700.
Oh, 700. Okay. It's beautiful. Wow. How much?
650,000.
That's a motorbike.
Yes,
That's a motorbike.
This one's sports naked.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Triumph.
Are you vlogging, sir?
620 only. There's a lot of accessories here, guys. If you want to come here and grab a few things, helmets, jackets, pants, and small accessories as well for the bike. How much one of those tire now?
We'll check the price. 6,000 to 9,000.
Okay. I usually keep them until this disappear. Because they got a good, it's not like a car. Alright. Now if you do mountain bike, is the right helmet, I'm sure. Nice shop. And that's what it's called. And this is next to the SM Mall. Yeah, those gentlemen have been very good to me. And they point me out to another shop just next door. So let's go out there. See you guys.
See you guys.
Thank you.
See you, sir. Take care.
Okay, they asked me to go this way. Ah, interesting. There you are. If you want one of those. Look at this. It's also popular here. Jet skis. Excellent. Ooh, a lot of bike here. Are they for sale? Maybe they use for spare parts. Look, the Kawasaki Ninja. Okay. Oh, look at the baby here. That's a Yamaha 1000. I'm just guessing. Big baby. Kawasaki jet ski. Let's have a look at the price just in case you guys may be interested. Ah, they got a few bucks here. It's good. Hello. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
How much one of those, sir?
The jet ski?
I'm a little bit deaf.
The jet ski?
Yes.
Yes, let me ask you.
Just roughly.
Ang stand-up na jet ski po pila gapon?
Oh my God, I love this one.
600? It's 600, sir.
Wow. $1,000cc. BMW 1250. Wow. If you want to go around Africa, that's probably what you need. But I love the Kawasaki. Oof. I have Kawasaki, but no 1000. They give me price for this one too? 410,000?
Yes, sir.
Hey, that could be a chance. I have Kawasaki too, but no 1000. 300. Small.
Is it the Versus?
Versus, yeah. But for me, too high.
Yeah.
Because now my back no good. This okay. It's okay. Versus is like this.
I think so.
I fall twice.
We also have the 650.
I was burned all here.
We also have the 650.
Oh. That's nice.
Yeah.
How many cc this one?
650.
Huh?
650.
650.
Yeah.
Yeah, 650 is okay. Oh my god. I look after. How much this one?
285.
Guys, this is second-hand bikes shop. Why not? They got a beautiful 650 Kawasaki here.
285.
285?
Yeah.
It's pretty good price. I mean, they look after, I don't know, oil change, very important, yeah?
Yeah.
We know motorbike is good or not, because this,
The engine.
yeah? I know. Screw off, no good.
Yeah, that's it.
No touch, no buy. And the tire is still good. Wow. I never thought about that opportunity. I like it. Alright. We'll keep that in mind, definitely. What else you got? This is too big. The 1000, I can't ride 1000 with my back the way it is.
Yeah. This one you have
What
the
else? So
upper
that
position.
yeah, this was good. 650 is okay, and low, it's good. The seat looking pretty good, neat condition. Wow, how much was it for?
285.
455?
285.
Oh, 255.
No, 285.
285?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good price, I reckon. Wow. You do loan? You loan the money? No.
No, it's a cash.
No, it's okay. Second hand. I know. I like this one. This was better, but for me too much. Okay. Okay, this jet ski Kawasaki 600,000. Round number. Second hand?
Yes.
Yeah, it's all second hand here, guys, so this is good. I mean, sometimes you don't want to spend too much money. And anything else? This is new, yeah?
Yeah, the ATVs are brand new.
Yeah, I'm not into that, but maybe some people would like. What kind of a price?
185.
Oh, here. 185,000?
Yes, sir.
That's not bad. Haha, I like the baby up there at the back. Let's have a quick look. A buggy. That's how we call it in my country. I don't know in yours.
Yeah, it's still a buggy.
Called buggy?
Yeah.
Sam. This is gorgeous. I love it. Wow. How much for this one, sir?
335. 335.
335. That's pretty good. Okay, another nice gentleman's been helping me a lot with prices and things. Oh, hello. Which one is your bike?
This is the big boss.
No, no. I only work here.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
You don't mind?
Yeah, no problem.
Free promotion.
Yeah,
Thank you,
thank you.
thank you.
Which one's your bike?
I'm on the one with the jet
One,
skis.
1250?
No, the jet
1000?
skis. The jet
Oh, you.
ski, yeah.
Okay.
We race the jet skis. Yeah.
You the owner?
No.
No.
Just
You wish?
Good customer who always spends here.
Customer will
Yeah,
spend here?
Always spending.
Yeah, I like to spend this one, but
Yeah.
I like here.
Yeah, you have city and province life. You know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And wait, yeah. Okay, I will put the map where that is. That's car. Now I need to find transport. That was pretty good. I never thought about second-hand bikes. I mean, I know, you could pick a bad one. Okay, let's see where we go next. I've been waiting 20 minutes at least on that road, and it's hot, thirsty. And that really tells me that I need a motorbike here. I need some kind of transport. Okay, let's have a look in there for more conventional motorbike without getting killed. Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you. Hello. Oh, that's a nice one. $229,000. I'm not really a fan of Suzuki. But sometimes maybe no choice. I mean, my van was alright. How much this baby? I wish I could go back home with one of those. I thought they'll have different style of bike, but it's only Suzuki, no other brand. I have to pick another day to do another brand. And you can see the price there. But that's not bad. We don't want a too small engine. And that's why they are. That's a 115cc. That should be enough. 71,500. That's more like it. Naked. That's okay. That's a nice one. $183,000. You can grab this one. $10,000 deposit. And 36 months, 4,000 pesos. You don't even feel it. That's pretty good. But I'm not too much Suzuki, man. I don't know what you think. Oh, it's bloody hot here. So I gotta grab something. Take me to SN City. Cool down and have a snack.